Hey guys, welcome back to 3BR Off-Road. Today we're continuing our... Why does he always gotta interrupt me like that? Just yelling random out in the shop. So anyways, we're continuing our Labor Day weekend prep so we can go to Hogwaller, have a good time. Still working on my bike. Yeah, get that out of the lens. Still trying to get my bike done, but we also have my dad's bike in here now. His Outlander. He got a little heavy on the throttle last time we were out. And yeah. Drive shaft said no more. So we got to pull the whole rear diff out, make sure that's all good because he's already blown up one rear diff in this thing before. Get that yanked out, get the drive shaft out and get a new one in it. Make sure that's the only thing we need to order first. So that's what I'm working on tonight. And there you see AJ in his natural habitat, being lazy.
I'm watching the 3BR Off-Road video for this week.
Yes, he is.
Is that in there? Or are we going to have to get a ratchet in there, right?
Get it? Oh, I'll probably get a ratchet. Alright, so while AJ was watching our video from this week, I got most of the diff out. Pretty much every bolt but one is holding in it at this point in the axle shafts. Normally... Alright, make all the noises. Normally you'd have to unbolt the shaft from the...
Have you not met me?
I have. I know. I'm trying to do an intro and you're yelling out 3BR mode! Normally you'd have to unbolt the drive shaft from the diff to actually get it out, but it's broken, so it's going to slide right out. Yeah, I do. It's a 15. Yeah, I do.
Means you only need this. I only need this. One, two.
Here.
You need a wrench? Yeah.
Oh no! There you go. Yeah, it's a little unstable, so
Gotta turn my wrench off. It's going nowhere. I'm fairly confident about that.
it actually worked out pretty good. Where'd you get that thing at?
Cameron's dad gave it to us.
Oh.
It's one of those things that Cameron's dad gives us a bunch of junk.
Oh, well, thanks, Cameron's dad.
I don't know, he watches our videos.
Oh.
I don't know, he watches YouTube. He might not even know what YouTube is.
I hope he doesn't for your sake. It looks like you can put such a bigger spring on that thing. Like, what the? That thing is tuned all the way down.
I want to fit on my bike.
You don't need to get for yours?
Hot shocks?
No. CNC overtimes.
They sell them for the town, not the 10,000.
Oh, I guarantee you they'll fit.
They probably are the same. Woo! She got hot. She's hot. She's hot.
I was like, I told my dad, I'm like, I gotta pull your whole bike apart. And he's like, great, you're gonna put it back together and be leftover bolts. I'm gonna be pissed. No, we're professionals. We don't do that. Only on my bike.
Only on Tuesdays.
We're only professionals.
Most of the jobs that we do, we have leftover parts.
It just means we put it back together better.
No, it's because we're adding new parts.
Well, there's that too.
Alright, what are we doing now? I don't know.
Should want to come out.
I don't want to mess these dust boots up.
Now I'm gonna let you figure out how to pull the axles out.
You tell me.
I've done it before in my old Outlander. I don't wanna. Alright, let me get them out real quick, guys. 15? Right there. Alright, guys, so I was wrong. Also, I've done an axle on an Outlander. Shocks, sway bar, and then the one bolt that runs, the bolt and shaft that runs through the swing arm comes undone. Swing arm out. Makes life a lot easier. I honestly couldn't tell you how I used to do them. It's been so long. I usually only broke fronts on mine. And I never broke a drive shaft, so I've never had to do this. And when I did break a diff, it was under warranty, so I didn't do the work. So.
Alright, well, do your side.
Alright, we got one side out. Brake line's screwing us on the other side, and the bolt that's holding it in is stripped out.
Well, the plastic piece on the back side of the bolt.
Yeah, so I have an issue getting those out. But we should still be able to get the diff out now that this axle's free. Get it at an angle and slide it on out. But she's wanting to go forward now because we're pulling all the weight off the ass end, so.
Safety first.
Good old ratchet strap for the win. Hopefully it works. OSHA approved.
I don't know.
Remember, we gotta be able to unhook it. Is it out of the way?
Yeah.
Okay. Not too hard now. You don't want to go backwards.
Okay, good.
Alright, cool. Set this thing somewhere.
Goes.
Oh, yeah, it's still there.
No, look at the back one. Come that way.
Oh, yeah, I know. Oh, yeah, dude, that thing is
You don't see it? It's been wore out forever.
Oh,
Show
my
the camera that.
God. Here, take the zip up to the table. Turn and pull it different. Make sure everything's good inside there.
That's pretty good. Good, good.
Feels good. He's already blown one apart. I was afraid that's what it was. Bring it up here in the light.
That's just how a typical U-joint feels.
Get it focused. Oh, wow, that was bad.
And then if you look back here. You see that?
Yeah, it's loose. It's looser than you'd want it to be.
Well, this whole dry shaft's crap.
I said hold it.
When they pull
thing
this
is
diff
so
out,
not
they
phased
didn't
right.
face it right. I bet you when they pull the diff out, they split this.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, it is so bad.
Where's the new dry shaft?
We don't have one.
Oh.
I told you I want to make sure that's the only thing we needed. Because I was afraid it was the diff.
Yeah, that stuff's fine.
No, diff feels good.
Just gotta...
13 mil. It's in the back. Put it over here.
Right. Good.
Oh, alright. There she goes. She's coming.
Whew, almost whacked it again. So Annie sees the big wonders on that.
Yeah.
Minimal backlash. I'm happy with it. No chunks. Whatever.
Alright guys, so you ever think anything's going to be an easy fix and then you actually dive into it and go, oh, no, that's not easy. Oh, this is a prime example. What?
I said, well, if anybody knows how we do things, we're going to break it. We usually break it really, really, really bad.
Yeah, and
Not good.
I get that from my father.
Which, this is his bike.
This is his bike, so obviously, let's see if we can get in there. Oh yeah. A little bright, a little too bright. See right about there. That's a crack in the transmission. Yeah, the housing's broke, guys. So this is not just a dry shaft swap, easy peasy done. Nope. He needs a whole new transmission, so that means we gotta find him one. Which is always fun, so. Oh, and that. Whoa, whoa! Opa!
No, wrong time. You don't use it then.
I don't care. So, now we go from pulling the just the diff out to the whole transmission, which I've never done one on one of these bikes, so This should be interesting. I don't know if this one's gonna make it for Labor Day, guys. It might not.
Huh?
What do you?
This reminds me of?
Huh?
Remember those flashlights you had as a kid that had all the?
Oh, the fiber optic fucking the lights.
Yeah. I don't have one that matches it. I have one that's close.
What about up in there? The pins.
I don't think I have anything.
Check.
That's close.
So yeah, we're done with that for now. So we're gonna move on to electrical issues. You like throwing things in videos.
I'm good at it.
So this bike was here. We didn't video it, but we had some electrical issues. Got them all fixed, and then it threw another code as soon as he got the hog waller. So we're gonna go through and check everything. So let's get to it.
Ooh,
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so I know I've skipped quite a bit on this bike, but a lot of this stuff was kind of boring. It was wiring problems. It was throwing a code for a speed sensor, which is that thing right there. That's the speed sensor down there. I've had the same issue on my bike before, and it was wiring. It wasn't an actual sensor. Sensor's just a little magnet. Usually don't go bad. So I thought that's what it was. Chase it, looking for broken wire. Replaced all the wire. Tried everything. Still throwing the code. So I was kind of frustrated with it. Didn't really film a lot. I didn't film anything besides this clip you're seeing now. It ended up being the gear position sensor. I think I have the old one in here somewhere. Yes, this thing. This is the sensor that tells it if it's in low, high, reverse, neutral, park, all that good stuff. No good. So yeah, that's what was actually bad. It was throwing a code for a speed sensor, so I'm chasing the speed sensor issue, and it ends up being this. I don't know why. That was just the oddest thing ever. Literally pulled mine off my bike just to test it out, pull it off, put it on his bike, and worked perfectly. No issues. Stupid things that drive you nuts, I guess, but it's fixed now. Everything's good. We did take the spring spacers out of the shocks because it rode really stiff, and it's so much better now. Actually lowered the bike slightly, but it rides so much softer now, so I'm pretty stoked about that. But I'm just letting it idle, make sure nothing else is wrong. Took it for a few rides, everything seems good, so. But yeah, so this one's good to go for Labor Day now. Super stoked about that. Hopefully he can actually enjoy it being this big this time. First time he had it out, he grenaded the transmission, and the second time he took it out, it had electrical problems. So hopefully with all that stuff worked out now, he can go beat on this thing and have fun all weekend. So yeah, things are ripper. Yeah, so our buddy Ian has his bike up here. He's installing some rock lights on it, some light whips. I think he's gonna do a new spark plug. Just go through the entire bike, making sure everything's ready to go for Labor Day weekend, you know, like the rest of us. This thing is an absolute monster. I'm falling in love with it. I wish at this point I would have gotten a Defender. No offense, Ranger. I'm sorry. I don't mean it. But yeah, these things are really nice. I mean, just Can-Am, you did a great job with these. Just real good. Love it. So we got the transfer dad's bike. I think you saw just like a few minutes ago in the video, or would it be that way? That way? Either way, just a little while ago in the video, you saw us getting it out. Said I was gonna order the parts. Got the trans in. Just about a used trans. Nothing really goes wrong with them. Everything seemed great on this one. Everything was not so great on that one. So this is the next part of what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be ripping it out. And getting the new one in, getting the new drive shaft in, getting everything put back together. So hopefully we'll have this done in time for Labor Day. I'm really gonna push. Want my dad to be there like always, you know, just have a lot of fun. So yeah, we got a lot of work to do. Today's August 26th, Wednesday. This video will be posted on the 27th, which is irrelevant to the video because you can be watching this at any date, but whatever. Anyways, just kind of give you a timeline. We have like 8-9 days before, or 8 days before Labor Day, so I gotta get this done, my bike done, as you see Christian's bike's done. I think AJ's bike's coming in real soon to get some work done. So a lot of work to do before Labor Day. I'm going to try and keep cranking out the videos before then. So we'll see how it goes. But till next time, guys, keep sharing, liking, subscribing, comment, all that good stuff. Later.